Man, what's going on, you guys, man? Look. Before I get into the video, man, I just want to make an announcement. So, at 1,000, 1K, 1000 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway. It's going to include this drippy Mark of Jimmy tech suit, man. Nike who? Yeah. Anyways, all you got to do is just subscribe. That's it, bro. And then we're going to do the drawing. I don't have the date set up yet, but we're going to get it all taken care of right when I hit 1K. You see the title. You see the dang thumbnail, man. I wasn't satisfied with how my car sounded when I just had the Resonator delete. So you know what I did? Went back and just said, man, take these mufflers off, man. Take them off, man. Let this thing go free, man. Let that pony just go ahead and do his thing. And that's what we did. So I decided to go with the muffler delete, and I wanted to really free it up and just make it sound real good, man. So that's what we did. So I decided to go with the H-pipe for obvious reasons. I didn't want any droning inside the cab, and also I didn't want any raspiness. So that was the whole thing. I went to Dream Motorsports Atlanta. We're gonna open her up a little bit more. So when I got to the spot, I gave him my part. I went with the Acela Tech H-pipe. One of the owners, man, he was gracious enough to let me go in there and kind of film with my GoPro. I didn't have my lovely fiance with me at the time, so he was actually cool enough to let me record with my GoPro and get underneath the car. All right, so he invited me to his space. What's going on, man?
So welcome to the underside of your car. This is where you're probably going to want to have your H-pipe put in. And it's going to go right here.
I'm gonna get out his way. I'm gonna let him do his thing, but I just kind of want to show you guys like just the underneath and what it's looking like. So we'll get a little after shot. So yeah, I'm gonna get the hell out your way, man. He was just, you know, showing himself, cut the Resonator off, and man, again, I appreciate the guys over there. Oh yeah, they wrapping it up, man. I appreciate these guys, bro. We're gonna get a clip and see how it sounds. So it only took all like probably 15-20 minutes for the whole thing to get done. And man, when I tell you the results that I got from just having the H-pipe on there, oh my God, I was really satisfied. What is it? I wasn't satisfied with just having the Resonator delete and putting the H-pipe on there. It sounded good, but it wasn't like fully unleashed. So what I did, man, I said, hey, dang it, man, I'm back here at the exhaust shop, man. I couldn't help it. I liked how it sounded with the Resonator delete, but man, we gotta go with the full muffler delete, man. So we gonna have it straight pipe, so check this out. And also, the exhaust tips I got on there, the MBRP, amazing. All right, so here are the tips, man. It's gonna look real good back there. I love how I got that carbon fiber finish. MBRP, they make the best tips, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, man, sponsor me, man. We're getting ready to get into the good part now. So they're getting ready to adjust the piping and make it to where it comes out 3. And like I said, the tips themselves are 4.5, so it's going. Man, these are at least like 35, almost 40 pounds each. That's at least like 70 pounds you're taking off the car. Next up, man, we just gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna show you guys the final result, and that's them starting it up with a straight pipe, man. So after they got done sawing that thing off, man, my overall reaction to hearing it, bro, it was amazing. Like 10 out of 10. It was super loud, but it was everything that I had wanted. That's how I wanted my car to sound. All right, here it go. Come on. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I really had no complaints, but you know, the only people that are really gonna complain are like my neighbors and people that just aren't into cars. Oh my God, let me go pay. Take my money. This is going on my YouTube channel, so I'll make sure I tell people about it.
And
Yeah.
your name and your phone.
I got you. All right, man. So it's all good. It's all done, man. I'm all smiles. I'm so dang happy, man. It sounds amazing. Come look at it. I just want you to come look at the tips real quick. MBRP tips. Go look at it on that side. Yeah. My overall thoughts just on the whole thing. You already know I love it. It's funny when you just get so much attention and everybody just always staring at you. But I like it. I really do. But the biggest thing for me was just really getting that sound. I just wanted it to sound real aggressive and just really unleash it and just wanted to sound like a true muscle car, man. So, you know, when I started, it just sounds amazing. So I just wanted you guys to experience it with me. And I wanted to be the first guy to do it, which I was. Nobody else has done it. So I was like, let me be the black sheep. Let me go ahead and straight pipe this 2024 Mustang GT, and that's what we did, man. So again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. There are more things to come. I got a couple more parts I'm getting ready to put on. That I just got a deck lid, the RTR deck lid, and the RTR chin splitter. We're getting ready to throw that on. It's coming up very soon. And I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna cut the video off. Supercharger.